The law of assumption is a fascinating concept that revolves around the idea that what we assume to be true about ourselves and our lives shapes our reality. Unlike other laws of attraction that focus primarily on positive thinking or visualizing what we want, the law of assumption emphasizes the power of belief and imagination. It suggests that by assuming our desires as already fulfilled, we can bring them into our reality. This principle encourages a shift in mindset, where individuals no longer see themselves as waiting for something to happen, but as actively participating in the creation of their lives. At its core, the law of assumption teaches that our beliefs fundamentally influence our experiences. If a person believes that they are destined to succeed, they are more likely to take actions that align with that belief, leading to actual success. Conversely, if someone assumes they will fail, they may unconsciously sabotage their effort. This principle highlights the importance of self-awareness and the need to examine our internal dialogue. By consciously choosing to adopt empowering beliefs, we can alter the trajectory of our lives. Imagination plays a crucial role in this process. It's not just about thinking positively, it's about immersing oneself in the feeling of having already achieved what one desires. When individuals imagine their desires as reality, they begin to resonate at a higher frequency that attracts those desires into their lives. This imaginative process is far more than daydreaming. It's a powerful tool for manifestation that allows individuals to feel the emotions associated with their goals, thereby aligning their energy with those aspirations. Another significant aspect of the law of assumption is the acknowledgement of the subconscious mind. Our subconscious is a powerful force that often operates below our conscious awareness. When we assume something to be true, especially through repetition and emotional engagement, we begin to impress these beliefs upon our subconscious. As a result, our actions, thoughts, and feelings start to reflect our assumptions, which can lead to the manifestation of our desires in tangible ways. In summary, understanding the principles of the law of assumption requires recognizing the pivotal role of belief and imagination in shaping our lives. By consciously choosing to assume that our desires are already fulfilled, we create a fertile ground for manifestation. This approach not only empowers individuals, but also invites them to take responsibility for their experiences, transforming their outlook on life from passive waiting to active creation. Visualization is a powerful technique that plays a crucial role in the law of assumption. It involves creating a mental image of your desires, as if they have already come to fruition. This practice helps to internalize the assumption you wish to adopt. When you visualize, you engage your senses and emotions, making the experience more vivid and real. This mental rehearsal can significantly boost your confidence and strengthen your belief in the possibility of achieving your goals. There are various methods of visualization that can enhance your experience. One effective technique is to create a vision board, where you can compile images and words that represent your desires. Placing this board in a prominent location serves as a daily reminder of your goals and helps to keep your focus aligned with your assumptions. Additionally, guided visualization exercises can be beneficial. These typically involve listening to recordings that lead you through a series of images and scenarios that resonate with your aspirations, allowing you to deeply connect with the desired outcome. Another key aspect of visualization is the importance of consistency. Just like exercising a muscle, the more you practice visualization, the stronger your belief in your assumptions becomes. Set aside time each day to engage in this practice, whether through meditation, journaling, or simply daydreaming. Over time, these practices will reinforce your new beliefs and help to shift your mindset toward your desired reality. Affirmations are another powerful tool to complement visualization. These are positive statements that reflect the reality you wish to create. When repeated regularly, affirmations can help to reprogram your subconscious mind, aligning it with your new assumption. It's essential to phrase affirmations in the present tense, as if what you desire is already happening. For example, instead of saying, "I will be successful," you should say, "I am successful." This subtle shift in language can lead to a more profound impact on your belief system. Incorporating both visualization and affirmations into your daily routine can create a dynamic synergy that boosts your manifestation effort. By vividly imagining your goals and consistently affirming them, you establish a strong foundation for your assumption. This combination not only reinforces your belief, but also cultivates the emotional state necessary for attracting your desires into your life. Belief is a cornerstone of the law of assumption. It operates as a bridge between your conscious desires and your subconscious mind. When you genuinely believe that you deserve what you are trying to manifest, you open the door for those desires to materialize. This belief acts like a magnet, attracting opportunities and experiences that align with your new assumption. On the flip side, if there's doubt or disbelief, it can create resistance, making it harder for your desires to manifest. Imagination enhances the belief process by providing a canvas where you can paint the life you want. It's about allowing yourself to dream without limitation. Engaging in imaginative exercises, such as creative writing or role-playing, can help solidify your assumption. The more you engage with your imagination, the clearer your goals become. This clarity can lead to more focused action, which further reinforce your belief in the possibility of achieving your desires. Moreover, imagination isn't limited to just visualizing your goals. It also involves imagining the emotions and experiences associated with achieving those goals. How would it feel to live your dream life? What thoughts would you have? By tapping into these feelings, you can create a powerful emotional connection to your desires. This emotional resonance is essential, as it can accelerate the manifestation process by aligning your vibrations with those of your goals. Challenging limiting beliefs is often necessary to fully embrace the power of belief and imagination. Many people hold on to negative assumptions about themselves, often rooted in past experiences or societal conditioning. By recognizing and questioning these beliefs, you can begin to replace them with more empowering ones. This process may require time and patience, but it is essential for creating a fertile ground for your new assumptions to take root. Ultimately, the interplay between belief and imagination forms the bedrock of the law of assumption. When individuals commit to believing in their desires and fully engage their imagination, they set themselves on a path toward manifesting their dreams. This journey is not just about achieving goals. It's also about personal growth and transformation, as each step taken strengthens their conviction and confidence in their ability to create their own reality. To effectively harness the power of visualization, it's important to employ techniques that resonate with you personally. One popular method is the mental movie technique. This involves creating a detailed mental film of your desired reality. Picture yourself in various scenarios where you have achieved your goals. What are you doing? Who are you with? What feelings arise? This immersive experience can help your subconscious mind accept these scenarios as reality, thereby facilitating manifestation. Another effective technique is the 5 senses approach. Here, you engage all 5 senses to deepen your visualization experience. Imagine not just what you see, but also what you hear, smell, taste, and touch in your desired reality. This multisensory experience can make your visualizations feel more tangible and real, enhancing your emotional connection to them. The stronger the emotions tied to your visualization, the more likely they are to influence your actions and beliefs positively. Incorporating visualization into your daily routine can also enhance its effectiveness. Consider starting your day with a few minutes of visualization as part of your morning ritual. This practice can set a positive tone for the day ahead and help you maintain a mindset aligned with your goals. Similarly, ending your day with visualization can reinforce your desires before sleep, allowing your subconscious to process these images while you rest. Additionally, using visualization in conjunction with physical activities like yoga or walking can amplify its effects. As you engage in these activities, visualize your goals and desires. This combination of movement and mental imagery can create a powerful synergy that enhances both your physical and mental state. It encourages a flow of energy that aligns with your aspiration, making it easier to attract what you desire. Ultimately, the key to successful visualization lies in finding techniques that resonate with you and practicing them consistently. By making visualization an integral part of your daily life, you can strengthen your assumptions and beliefs. This commitment to the practice can lead to profound changes in your reality, as you begin to see the fruits of your imagination manifesting in your everyday experiences. Identifying and overcoming limiting beliefs is essential for manifesting your desires effectively. Limiting beliefs are the negative thoughts and assumptions that hold you back from achieving your goals. They often stem from past experiences, societal conditioning, or negative self-talk. The first step in changing these beliefs is to recognize them. Take a moment to reflect on the thoughts that pop up when you think about your goals. Are they supportive or critical? This awareness is crucial for initiating change. Once you've identified your limiting beliefs, the next step is to challenge them. Ask yourself where these beliefs originated and whether they are truly valid. Often, you'll find that these beliefs are based on assumptions rather than facts. For example, if you believe, "I am not good enough to succeed," question this thought. What evidence do you have to support it? Challenging these negative narratives can help weaken their hold on your mind. Reprogramming your subconscious mind is another effective strategy for overcoming limiting beliefs. Techniques such as meditation, hypnosis, or guided visualization can help you access deeper levels of your mind. In these states, you can introduce new, empowering beliefs that align with your goals. For instance, replacing "I am not good enough" with "I am capable and deserving of success" can create a significant shift in your mindset. Another useful method is to use positive affirmations specifically designed to counteract your limiting beliefs. If you struggle with self-worth, affirmations like "I am worthy of love and success" can help retrain your subconscious. By consistently repeating these affirmations, you can gradually replace your negative beliefs with positive ones. The more you reinforce these new beliefs, the more they will become your default mindset. Lastly, surrounding yourself with positive influences can also aid in changing limiting beliefs. Engage with people who uplift and inspire you, whether through social media, books, or in-person interaction. Their positive energy can help counteract your negative thoughts and encourage you to adopt a more empowering mindset. By intentionally focusing on positivity, you can create an environment that supports your journey towards manifesting your desires. Maintaining a positive mental state aligned with your assumptions is crucial for successful manifestation. It's easy to feel motivated initially, but sustaining the energy can be challenging. One effective technique is to practice mindfulness. Being present allows you to observe your thoughts without judgment, helping you to recognize when negative patterns arise. By acknowledging these thoughts, you can consciously redirect your focus back to your desired assumptions, keeping your mindset aligned with your goals. In addition to mindfulness, incorporating gratitude into your daily routine can significantly enhance your mental state. Gratitude shifts your focus from what you lack to what you have, fostering a positive outlook. Start or end your day by listing a few things you are grateful for. This simple practice can elevate your mood and reinforce the feeling of abundance, which is essential for manifesting your desires. Another useful strategy is to visualize your desired reality regularly. Spend a few moments each day imagining how it feels to live your desired life. Engage all your senses as you visualize. What do you see, hear, and feel? This practice not only reinforces your assumptions, but also helps to keep your emotional state aligned with your goals. The more vividly you can imagine your desired reality, the more real it becomes in your mind. Creating a supportive environment is also key to maintaining a positive mental state. Surround yourself with individuals who encourage your growth and share similar aspirations. Engage in activities that uplift you, whether it's reading inspirational books, attending workshops, or spending time in nature. A positive environment can help you stay focused and motivated on your journey. Finally, remember that consistency is vital. Just like any habit, maintaining a positive mental state takes practice. Be patient with yourself, and don't be discouraged by setbacks. The journey of manifestation is not linear. It ebbs and flows. By committing to your practices and staying aligned with your assumptions, you'll find it easier to maintain a mindset that supports your desires. Examining real-life experiences and case studies can provide valuable insights into the practical application of the law of assumption. Many individuals have successfully transformed their lives by adhering to these principles, and their stories serve as powerful testimonials. For instance, one individual recounts how they manifested a dream job after diligently practicing visualization and affirmation. By assuming they were already in that position, they exuded confidence during interviews, which ultimately led them to land the job. This story highlights the importance of believing in your desired outcome as if it has already occurred. Another inspiring case involves someone who struggled with self-esteem for years. After learning about the law of assumption, they began to shift their self-talk and visualize themselves as confident and capable. Over time, they noticed significant changes in their interactions and opportunities. Friends and colleagues started to perceive them differently, which further reinforced their new self-image. This experience underscores the idea that our beliefs shape our reality, and that by changing our assumptions, we can change how the world responds to us. In another example, a couple who faced financial difficulties applied the law of assumption to turn their situation around. They began to visualize themselves living in abundance and feeling financially secure. By consistently affirming this new reality and taking inspired action, they gradually attracted opportunities for income growth. Their story illustrates how collective belief in a shared goal can enhance the manifestation process, reinforcing the idea that assumptions can create collective realities. Many successful entrepreneurs also share their journeys of using the law of assumption to achieve their business goals. One entrepreneur discusses how they envisioned their company thriving and took steps to embody that success mentally. They focused on positive affirmations and visualization, which guided their decision-making and strategy development. The trajectory of their business changed dramatically, leading to increased sales and recognition in their field. This highlights the importance of not only thinking positively, but also acting in alignment with those thoughts. Through these real-life experiences, we can learn practical lessons about the application of the law of assumption. Each story reinforces the idea that our thoughts and beliefs are powerful tools in shaping our reality. By understanding the experiences of others, we can gain insights into how to navigate our journeys and overcome obstacles, ultimately leading to a successful manifestation of our desires. As we wrap up our journey into mastering the law of assumption, remember that the power lies within you. Every thought you hold, every belief you embrace shapes your reality. Are you ready to take charge of your life? Picture your desires as if they are already yours. Feel the emotion, see the details, and immerse yourself in that reality. This isn't just about wishing, it's about embodying the state of having what you want. What would it feel like to wake up every day knowing your dreams are unfolding? Imagine the confidence and joy that comes with it. Now, think about the limiting beliefs that hold you back. What if you could release them? What if you could rewrite your story right now? Dive deep and challenge those thoughts. You have the ability to create a life filled with abundance and joy. So what will you choose to believe today? Will you step into the version of yourself that already has it all? Remember, the universe is listening. It's time to take action. Comment below with your biggest desire and how you plan to assume it into your reality. Let's support each other on this incredible journey.